In the last lecture, we see the mean and variance, that is the expected value and the variance by using the probability distribution. Okay. We see the formula of the mean and variance and two examples in the last lecture. Now, in this lecture, we see the examples in the exercise 7.1 on the expected value and the variance. Okay. Now, here the example number 11, find the mean number of heads in 3 tosses of a coin. That means here we find the expected value, but here the probability distribution is not given. First we find the probability distribution, but in the probability distribution there is a random variable. It is a number of heads when a coin is tossed 3 times. Here it is a random variable, it is a number of heads. That means we want to find the probability distribution of random variable x, and x is the number of heads when a coin is tossed 3 times. First find the probability distribution, and then from the probability distribution we find the expected value, that means the mean. Okay. Now here a coin is tossed 3 times. Then total possibilities, see carefully here, a coin is tossed 3 times, that means there are the 8 possibilities. Okay, here we write the first 4 possibilities here, starting from the head. If all 3 cases, when we coin tossed 3 times, then all 3 cases get heads. It is a head H, H and H. Okay, all 3 are the head. Then second possibility, 2 heads and 1 tail. 2 heads and 1 tail, but here tail in the third coin, that is the tail in a third toss, but we get tail in a second toss, or we get the tail in a first toss. That means there are again 3 possibilities. Okay, here it is the first possibility of 1 tail, then H, T, H, tail on a second coin, that is a second toss, or tail on a first toss. That are the 3 possibilities of the 1 tail, and here it is a 3 heads. Now these are the 4 possibility, and total possibilities are 8. Okay, remaining possibility we can write directly, or here see carefully, we can write directly. It is a head replaced by tail, head replaced by tail, and tail replaced by head, and it is a head, tail, tail. Okay, here we can write directly, but here it is a 3 heads, then 2 heads and 1 tail. A coin is tossed 3 times. Okay, therefore 2 head and 1 tail. There are again 3 possibilities. Okay, it is a 3 heads, 2 heads, then 1 head. 1 head means it is a 1 head and 2 tail. Again there are the 3 possibilities: 1 head, 2 tails. It is a 1 head, 2 tail, and it is a 1 head, 2 tail. And there is a no head, that means tail, tail, tail. We can write as like this, or write the 4 possibilities. First it is a head, 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 then 1 head replaced by a tail, that is it's the first possibility. A coin is tossed 3 times, then 3 heads, then 1 head replaced in the second possibility, 1 head replaced by tail. It is a head, head, tail, but there are the head possibility of head. It is a third toss, second toss, or the first toss. These are the possibilities. Then 1 head, and it is a 0 head, or like that here. Right, there are the 8 possibilities. Write the 4 possibilities, and then replace head by tail and tail by head. Okay, here you can use anyway. Therefore number of S is equal to 8. Now let x, the random variable x, be the number of heads in 3 tosses of a coin. Okay, therefore the random variable x takes values 0, 1 or 2. See carefully this. Okay, random variable takes value, it is a 0, 1 or 2. Here, when 3 coins, a coin is tossed 3 times, then the number of heads, if all heads, then number of heads, it is a 3. Here 0, 1, 2 or 3. Okay, here number of heads becomes 3. If 2 heads and 1 tail, then number of heads, it is a 2. If 1 head and 2 tail, then number of head is equal to 1. And if all are the tails, then number of heads, it is a 0. That means in this possibility there are the 3 heads. Here it is a 2 heads, it is a 2 heads, it is 2 heads. Here 1 head, 1 head, here it is a 1 head, and it is a 0 heads. See carefully this. Random variables means a real valued function associated with each outcome of a sample space. Okay, here there are the 8 outcome. In the first outcome, x is the number of head. In the first outcome there are the 3 heads, it is a x is equal to 3. In the second outcome there is a 2 heads. Third outcome, it is a, there is a 2 heads. Here it is a fourth, there is a 2 heads. Then it is a 1 head, 1 head, 1 head, and it is a 0 head. That means random variable x takes values 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now we find the probability on these values. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Therefore here see carefully, number of x is equal to 0. X is a number of heads. X is a number of heads. Here 0 heads, there is a 1 time, therefore it is 1, and therefore we write the probability of x is equal to 0, it is 1 by 8. Then number of x is equal to 1. Here x is a number of heads. 1 time here, there are the 3 times, it is 3, and therefore probability of x is equal to 3, and then it is x is equal to 1, and then it is a 3 by 8. Then number of x is equal to 2, again it is a 3, therefore probability of x is equal to 2, it is a 3 by 8. And then number of x is equal to 3, it is a 1 time, number of heads 3 heads, only 1 possibility, and therefore the probability of x is equal to 3, it is 1 by 8. Here that are the probability. Now we write the probability distribution table. Okay, here therefore probability distribution of random variable x is, see carefully, we write the probability distribution here. The random variable x takes value 0, 1, 2 and it is a 3. Okay, then probability of x, it is 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8 and it is a 1 by 8. Now here it is a probability distribution of a random variable x, but here we want to find the mean. Okay, here we want to find the mean of the number of heads when a coin is tossed 3 times. In the exam there will be question is asked only like here, find the probability distribution of a number of heads in 3 tosses of a coin. Question is also asked that type. Here the question is find the mean number, but in the exam question of for the 2 marks it is asked find the probability distribution of heads in 3 tosses of a coin, and then answer here it is enough. Now we find the mean. Therefore mean is equal to, it is a sum of all xi into pi. Okay, here I is equal to 1 to 4. Here the values of the random variable, it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we directly write here, it is x1 into p1 plus x2 into p2 plus x3 into p3 plus x4 into p4. Okay, here it is not necessary to write this. Write the formula and write directly the numbers. That is a random variable x1, it is a 0, it is 1 by 8, plus x2, it is 1 into 3 by 8, plus 2 into 3 by 8, and plus 3 into 1 by 8. Okay, here random variable into their probability, random variable into their probability, random variable into their probability, random variable into their probability. Here it is a mean. Now take the calculation. It is a 0 plus 3 by 8 plus 6 by 8 plus 3 by 8, and then it is a 12 by 8. Now it is a 12 by 8, that means 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 it is a 1 by 5. Okay, here it is a mean number of heads in 3 tosses of a coin. See carefully, here it is a probability distribution, and then here it is a mean. See carefully this. Now we see the example number next 12. See carefully this. Now the example number 12, 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. If x denotes the number of sixes, find the expectation of x. That means again here we want to find the mean. Okay, but here the random variable, it is the number of sixes when 2 dice are thrown. Random variable, it is x, and x is the number of sixes. That means we count the number of sixes in each outcome when 2 dice are thrown. And here there are the 36 outcomes. Okay, here the random variable, it is when 2 dice are thrown, there are the 36 outcomes. Let it is x with a random variable, that is x with the number of sixes. Number of sixes. Okay, now here we want to find the number of sixes in each outcome. How many times? Here it is the first outcome, it is a 1 and 1. There is a no 6, that means here 0 sixes. Here it is a 0 sixes. Here it is a 0 sixes. Here it is a 0 sixes. Here it is 0, but here last it is a 1 comma 6. There is a 1 6. Okay, then possibility either x takes value, it is a 0. Here it is 1, and it is a last 6 comma 6, there are the 2 sixes. That means this random variable x takes value 0, 1 or 2. Okay, here see carefully this. In the first outcome, it is there are the 0 sixes. Here the random variable, it is a number of sixes. That means we count the number of sixes in each outcome. Okay, here it is a 0 6 0 6, it is a 0 0, and it is 0. Here it is a 1 6. Okay, again here it is a 1 6, here it is a 1 6, here it is 1 6, and here it is a 1 6. Now again here it is a 1 6 1 6 1, it is 1, and it is 1. Now there are, it is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, 1 6s are the 10 times. That means the number of x is equal to 1, it is a 10, and here x is equal to 2, here it is only 1. X is equal to 2, it is 1, and now the remaining, that are the 25 numbers. It is 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4, and it is a 5. That means there are the 25 numbers, that is the x is equal to 0. 0 6s, the possibility of 0 6s, that is a 25 times. It is a 0 6 0 6 0 6, it is 0 6 0 0 0 0, here it is a 0, here it is a 1 6. Okay, that means here the random variable x takes values. Therefore random variable x takes values. 0, 1 or 2. Okay, therefore here the number of x is equal to 0. See carefully, number of x is equal to 0. Here it is a 1 6. Okay, that is a 10. Here it is a 2 6s, that is a 1 time. And number of 0 6s, there are the 25 times. Then it is a 25. And therefore the probability of x is equal to 0. It is a 25 by 36. It is a probability of x is equal to 0. X, it is a number of 6s. Okay, in all 36 outcomes, there are the 25 outcomes. Possibility of the 25 outcomes, there are the 6, no 6. That means the number of 6s are 0. Okay, and there are the 10 possibilities. There is a 1 6. And one possibility, there are the 2 6s. Here it is x is equal to 0. Now, the number of x is equal to 1, it is a 10. Therefore, the probability of x is equal to 1, it is 10 by 36. And last, number of x is equal to 2, it is 1. Then probability of x is equal to 2, that means 6s, 2 times are the 6s, then it is a out of 36, it is a 1. Okay. Therefore, the probability distribution of random variable x, here x is a number of 6s, then it is x, here it is a 0, 1 or 2. Then the probability of x, it is 25 by 36, 10 by 36 and 1 by 36. Okay. Now we want to find the expected value. Okay, therefore expected value of random variable x is, see carefully, e of x is equal to summation of all xi pi, where I is equal to here 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then the summation of x1 into p1 plus x2 into p2 plus x3 into p3. Okay, it is not necessary to write, we write direct this step. x1, it is a 0 into 25 by 36 plus 1 into 10 by 36 plus 2 into 1 by 36. Okay, here random variable into their probability plus random variable into their probability, random variable into their probability. It is a formula for the mean. Okay, this step is not necessary. Write the formula and write direct this step. Now it is a 0 plus 10 by 36 plus 2 by 36, and then the last calculation, it is 12 by 36, and 12 by 36 means 1 by 3. It is an expected value of a number of 6s when 2 dice are thrown. See carefully this. Okay, now we see the next example. Now the example number 14, let x denote the sum of the number obtained when 2 pair dice are rolled. Okay, again there are the 2 dice are rolled, that means there are the 36 possibilities. Find the standard deviation of x. Here we want to find the standard deviation. To find the standard deviation, first we find the variance, and to find the variance, first find the expected value, that means the mean, and to find the mean, first we find the probability distribution of that x. That means it is problem will be little lengthy. It is see carefully this. Okay, calculation, first find the probability distribution, then find mean, variance, and then standard deviation. Okay, now here it is a random variable, it is a sum of the number obtained when 2 dice are rolled. Here there are the 36 possibilities and we want to find the sum of the number when 2 dice are rolled in each outcome. Now there is a first outcome, it is a 1 and 1, there will be possibility it is a 1 and 1, first die is rolled, second die is also 1. Okay, first die 1 and second die 1, then the sum of the number it is a 2. Second possibility it is a 1 and 2, then sum it is a 3, here sum is a 4, here sum of the number is 5, here sum of the number is 6, here sum of the number is 7, again here it is a 3, 4, 5, here it is a 8, and there the highest sum is a 12, it is a 6,6. Okay, and lowest sum is a 2. That means the random variable takes values 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are that number 11 numbers. Okay, here 2 to 12. Okay, see carefully. Now here first we write the x. It is let x be the sum of the number when two dice are thrown. Okay, then therefore random variable x takes values, it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. That are the values of the random variable. Now we want to find the probability on each value of the random variable. Now here it is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 12. First count the sum of the number 2, how many times? Then the count the sum of the number 3, how many times? And then find the probability. Okay, here see carefully. Sum of the number, here it is a 1, 1, there is a 2, here it is 3, here it is a 4, 5, 6, 7, again here it is a 3. That means sum of the number 2, it is a 1 time. Okay, that means the number of x is equal to 2, x is the sum of the number, x is equal to 2, it is 1. Sum is a 3, here it is a 1, 2 and it is a 2, 3. That means x is equal to 3, x is the sum of the number. Okay, then the number of x is equal to 3, it is a 2 times, x is the sum of the number. That means sum is a 3, it is a 2 times, it is a sum is a 4, it is a 3 times, here 1, it is a 2 and it is 3. Here the sum 5 is a 4 times, here it is a 5, here it is 5, here it is 5 and here it is 5. Okay, now see carefully. Here the sum in the first, here it is a 2, here the sum it is a 3, here the sum it is a 4, here the sum is a 5, here 1, 5 it is a sum 6, 2, 4 it is a 6, 3, 3 it is 6, 4, 2 it is 6 and 5, 1 it is also 6. Then 6, 1 it is 7, 2, 5 7, 3, 4 7, 4, 3 7, 5, 2 7 and it is a 6, 1 it is a 7. Okay, that means the sum is a 2 1 time, sum is a 3 2 times, sum 4 1 2 3 3 times, sum 5 it is a 4 times, 1 2 3 and it is 4. Now here 2, 6 it is 8, 3, 5, 4, 4, 3, 5, 3 and 6, 2 it is 8. Again 3, 6 it is a 9, 4, 5 9, 5, 4 9 it is 9. Then 6, 4, 6 it is a 10 and it is 10, it is sum is a 10 and here it is 11 and here it is a 12. Okay, here these are the sum of the numbers. Okay, now we count this. Okay. Therefore the number x is equal to 2. It is a one time. Okay, x is equal to 2. Sum of the number is 2. It is a only one time. Then their probability of x is equal to 2. It is 1 by 36. Okay, see carefully the all probabilities. Then probability of x is equal to 3. First find the number of x is equal to 3. Number of x is equal to 3. X is a sum of the number. 3 sum, it is a 1 2 and it is a 2 1. There are the two cases. Okay, addition it is a 3. Then there is a two numbers. Then probability of x is equal to 3. It is a 2 by 36. Then number of x is equal to 4. The sum is a 4. Okay, sum 4. It is a 1 2 and it is a 3 times. Then probability of x is equal to 4. It is a 3 by 36. Then number of x is equal to 5. Sum is a 5. Here it is a sum 5. It is a 1 2 3 and it is 4. It is a 4 times. Then probability of x is equal to 5. X is a sum. It is a 4 times. 4 by 36. Then number of x is equal to 6. That means the sum of the number is 6. Sum of the number is 6. It is a 5 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 2 comma 4 and 1 comma 5. That is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, here it is a 5. Therefore probability. Okay, here we write that therefore probability of x is equal to 6. It is 5 by 36. Then number of x is equal to 7. X is a sum of the number. The sum is 7. In how many times? It is a 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 times. Then it is a 6. Therefore probability of x is equal to 7. It is a 6 by 36. Now x is equal to 8. Sum is 8. Here sum is 8. It is a 6 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 3 comma 5 and it is a 2 comma 6. That is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 times. Then it is 5. Therefore probability of x is equal to 8. It is a 5 by 36. Then number of x is equal to 9. Sum is a 9. It is a 4 times. Probability of x is equal to 9. It is a 4 by 36. Then number of x is equal to 10. It is a 3 times. Therefore probability of x is equal to 10. It is a 3 by 36. Then number of x is equal to 11. 11 it is a 2 times. Probability of x is equal to 11. It is a 2 by 36. And number of x is equal to 12. It is 1 time. Then it is a probability of x is equal to 12. It is a 1 by 36. Now see carefully. It is only the probability distribution of sum of the number when two dice are thrown. Okay, sum, the possibility it is a sum of the number, it is the lowest, it is a 2 3 4 5 up to 12. Okay, then it is a sum is a 2. How many times? It is a 1 time out of 36. Therefore it is a probability, it is a 1 by 36. Sum it is a 3. How many times? It is a 2 times out of 36. That is a 3. It is a 2 by 36. Sum is a 4. How many times? It is a 1 2 and 3. That is a 3 by 36. It is a probability of x is equal to, it is a 3. X is equal to 4. Now 5 it is a sum and then possibilities are 1 2 3 and 4. Therefore the 4 by 36 is a probability of x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. It is 1 2 3 and 4. Here there are the probability. Now first we write the probability distribution table. Okay, therefore probability distribution table. of random variable x is, okay, here it is x, okay. Then x takes values, it is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and it is a 12. Okay, now then probability of x, see carefully this probability of, when 2, it is a probability 1 by 36, 1 by 36, then it is a 2 by 36, then it is 3 by 36, then it is 4 by 36, then it is 5 by 36, 6 by 36, then again reverse, it is a 5 by 36, then 4 by 36, then 3 by 36, 2 by 36, it is a 1 by 36. It is a probability distribution here, but we want to find the standard deviation. For the standard deviation, first we find the mean, that is expected value, then variance, and then standard deviation. It is a probability distribution. See carefully this probability distribution. Okay, here random variable takes values 2 to 12. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 values. Okay, and these are their probabilities. Okay, now from this probability distribution we want to find first a mean. Okay, so to calculate the mean we erase this here. Okay, first see carefully this. Okay, here there are the possibilities. Now here it is a question. Therefore first find the expected value. Of random variable x, that is the e of x or mu. It is sum of all xi into pi, where I is equal to 1 to 11. Okay, there are 11 values of the random variable, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it is a 11. Okay, see carefully this. Okay, it is x1 p1, x2 p2, x3 p3, x4 p4, x5 p5, x6 p6, x7 p7, x8 p8, x9 p9, and it is x10 p10, and it is x11 p11. Okay, here we write the probability it is a xi into pi, product of the random variable and their probabilities. Okay, here product of random variable and their probability. Here we write first it is a 2 into 1 by 36 plus this 3 into 2 by 36 plus 4 into 3 by 36 plus 5 into 4 by 36 plus 6 into 5 by 36. Here 6 into 5 by 36. Now 7 into 6 by 36 plus 7 into 6 by 36. See carefully. 7 into 6 by 36. Now 8 into 5 by 36 plus 8 into 5 by 36 plus 9 into 4 by 36 plus 10 into 3 by 36 plus 11 into 2 by 36 and plus 12 into 1 by 36. Here It is a sum of the product of random variable and their probabilities. Here x1 into p1, x2 into p2, x3 into p3, like that it is x11 into p11. It is a sum. Now we calculate this. Then it is a 2 by 36 plus 6 by 36 plus 12 by 36 plus 20 by 36 plus 30 by 36 plus it is a 42 by 36 plus 40 by 36, then plus, see carefully, here it is a 42, it is 40, now here it is a 36 by 36 plus 30 by 36 plus 22 by 36 and plus 12 by 36. Okay, here we take only the product, random variable into their probability, random variable into their probability. Now we are adding that. Here denominator is same of the all terms, therefore in the denominator there will be directly write it is a 36. Okay, now adding, here it is a 2 plus 6, 8 plus here 2, 10 plus 2, it is a 12 plus 6, it is a 18 plus 2, 20, and it is a 2, 22, it is a 22. Now carry here, it is a 2, okay, therefore it is a 3, here it is 3 plus 2, 5, 8, 11 plus 4, 15, 19, 22 plus 2, it is 24, and it is 1, it is a 25 here. It is a 25. Then addition of the all term in the numerator, denominator is same, therefore it is a 36. Now here we take the division, here we try to dividing by 12, here 12, it is a 24, okay, here we when we dividing by 12, we get here it is a 2 into 21 upon 3, and it is a 7. Here it is a mean, it is only mean. Now we want to find the variance and then standard deviation, and variance, to find the variance, again here the formula, summation of all xi square into pi and minus mu square, it is a mu square. Okay, now for the variance we take here calculation. Okay, here remember this is the probability distribution. From this probability distribution we can write the variance. Here we write the formula for the variance, and variance of random variable x is, see carefully here, it is a v of x is equal to sum of all xi square into pi, where I is equal to 1 to 11, minus e of square, e of x whole square. Here e of square, that means it is a 7 square. Okay, it is a formula for the variance, that means it is a xi square into pi. Here this term you can write repeated, but here it is only random variable, and in the variance there is a random variable square, that means 2 square into this, 3 square into this, 4 square into this, from using this probability distribution table. Then the calculation of this term, it is a v of x is equal to random variable square, that is a 2 square into 1 by 36 plus 3 square into 2 by 36, 3 square into 2 by 36 plus 4 square into 3 by 36 plus 5 square into, it is a 4 by 36 plus 6 square into 5/36 plus 7 square into 6/36 plus 8 square into 5/36 plus 9 square into 4/36 plus 10 square into 3/36 plus 11 square into 2/36 plus 12 square into 1/36 and minus mu square, that is the 7 square. Here summation of xi square into pi, here it is a these three lines, only the xi square into pi, and minus it is a e of x whole square, that is the 7 square. Okay, now we calculate this. Here for the calculation, here we erase this probability distribution table. Okay, remember this. Now calculate this. It is a 2 square, that means 4/36 plus it is a 3 square, 9 into 2, 18/36. Okay, check the calculation. Plus 4 square, it is a 16 into 3, it is a 48 plus 5 square, that means 25 into 4, it is 100 upon 36 plus it is a 6, that is a 36 into 5. Okay, see carefully, 36 into 5, okay, it is a 0 and it is a 180 upon 36. See carefully, it is a 36 into 5, then 49 into 6, it is a 7 square, 49 into 6 plus 6 9er, it is a 54, therefore it is a 4, carry 5, 4, it is a 6 into 4, 24 plus 5, it is a 29 upon 36. Okay, then plus again this 8, 64 into 5, see carefully this 5, it is a 20 and it is a 64, 20 and it is a 30, it is a 32 upon 36. Okay, see carefully the calculation and check this. 5 into 4, 20, 0, carry 2, 30, it is a 32 plus again this is a 64. Now 81 into 4, okay, it is a 4 and here 32 upon 36 plus again it is a 10, it is a 300 upon 36 plus it is a 121, that means 242 upon 36 and plus it is a 144 upon 36. It is only summation of all xi square into pi and minus this. Here we write minus 49. This 49, it is a 7 square. Now again we take the calculation. It is minus 49, it is a 7 square. See carefully the calculation of this. Okay, it is a xi square into pi. Here we write this calculation and it is a minus 49. Now here see carefully the calculation. Here it is a lengthy calculation. Here see carefully this. Here it is a denominator is the same, so we are adding the numerator. Here denominator it is a 36. Okay, now 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 8 it is a 22, 22 plus 8 it is a 30 and plus 4 it is a 34. Okay, carry 3. Okay, now 3 plus 4 it is a 7. Okay, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 4, sorry, it is a 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 4, it is a 36 and 37. Okay, again carry 3. Here it is a 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 9, 12, 15, 17, 18, 19. It is a 19. And minus, it is a 49. Here it is a mu square. It is a minus 49. Now, we calculate this. Therefore, here it is 1974 upon 36. Here we try to divide by 6. Okay, here. When we divide by 6, it is a 3. Then again 1. That means we divide by 2. It is when we divide by 6. See carefully. It is a 6 3s are 18. 1. It is a 17. 6 2s are 12. Carry 5. 6 9s. Okay. Upon this 6. Minus 49. Again we take the calculation. Again here we divide by 6. Okay. Again divide by 6. 6 5s are 30. Carry 2. It is a 29. Then 6 4s are. Okay. Again remaining 5, that is a 50. We take the point 50. Then 50. It is a 8. Now again 3. Sorry, it is 52. That is a 20. Again 3. Okay, yes, it is. It is a division of 329 upon 6 minus 49. And therefore, phi of x is equal to the subtraction of this term. Subtraction of this term 83. Here it is a 0 0. That means 83.5. Here it is a variance. But we want to find the standard deviation. And therefore, standard deviation of random variable x is, see carefully, here standard deviation we denoted by, it is a sigma, and it is the under root of variance. It is a positive square root of the variance. It is a 5.83. It is a variance. Okay, it is a sigma. Okay, notation for the, it is a sigma. Standard deviation sigma, it is under root of variance, and under root of variance, it is a variance. Now it is a standard deviation. Okay, problem is a lengthy. Okay, calculation थोडं मोठं आहे. ओके, एक्झाममध्ये 4 मार्काला एवढा प्रॉब्लेम नाही विचारणार. याच्यातलं फक्त प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्युशनच विचारतील किंवा फक्त एक्सपेक्टेड व्हॅल्यू. ओके, मीन विचारतील, जास्त विचारणार नाहीत. एक्झाममध्ये एवढं विचारणार नाहीत बोर्ड एक्झाममध्ये. ओके, लेंदी प्रॉब्लेम आहे. 4 मार्क्ससाठी खूप मोठा झाला, पण हा विचारला तर सॉल्व करणंच लागणार. जर स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशन टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये क्वेश्चन विचारलं तर ते सॉल्व करणंच लागणार. ओके, हिअर स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशन, सी केअरफुली दिस.